Hi YouTubers, it's George here again. So I've finished built this computer. Um, as you can see, all the parts are in. Need a little bit more cable management, but so far not too bad. So I've got two 1 terabyte drives giving me 2 terabytes and a 250 megabyte drive as a second drive. So in total I've got 2.25 terabytes of space for my plex server. Everything is running great. The fan is on, so I've got the power supply fan, and it's a very quiet system. As you can hear, you could practically hear nothing. So that's running great. So that was a great build, lovely case, very easy to build into. I had no problems at all with the case. Everything went in fine, and cable management hasn't been too bad. Coming around to the front of the case. That's the front of the case. The antique case with a nice little blue power on light. And here is the output. I'm running Saint OS with a GUI because this is a desktop rather than a server. But however, I'm running shares, so I've got server shares on the system. So I'm using this as a server mainly. It's a keyboard for volume, hi-fi, and yeah, great build. I'm feeling quite pleased. My other servers are very noisy. It's good to have a server that I could turn on 24/7 and just leave it on when I'm watching my movies. Don't have to worry about the noise and the heat plus the bills. So this is going to be my main media server, and I'll retire my industrial servers to just be used as VMs. One I've upgraded to run free NAS, and then his servers running Ubuntu. So apart from my Dell server, which runs really great, and that's also on at weekends, and that runs MB, and this one runs a plex server. So in total I've got 4 servers, but I'll only be using this server and the Dell server for the time being. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for checking in. If you want to leave a like, please leave a like down below. And if you don't want to leave a like, just let me know. Also, if you have any comments on building computers or anything I help you with, then I'm pleased to answer any question. So that was my server build, and that's all for now, folks. Till next time, see you. Bye.